here we have another question that asks if fx is continuous at x equal to 0. Now x is equal to 0, it's there, so it's actually asking if it's continuous there, because when the x is there, you're looking actually at the y to see if it's continuous. Now first of all, let's see if at 0 exists, and it does exist because the value is -1 there. It's this y value is -1 there. You can also see it there where x is 0, the y value is -1. Now the second test we need to do is to say that if the limit of fx where the x tends to 0 must exist. Now does it exist? Well, we can see that from the negative side, if x tends to 0 from a negative side of fx, then, so this is from the negative side, it tends to 0, it approaches 0, so then the y value is -1. If we let it approach from the positive side, so when the x approaches from the positive side towards 0, the y value is again -1, so it does exist. Okay, so that exists. Now the last test for continuity is f0, is that equal to the limit of fx as x approaches to 0, and it is, because f0 is -1 and that limit tends to -1, so therefore you can see it is equal to each other, and therefore this function is continuous.